Hi, my friend, Sam Villa here, Redken's Global Artistic Ambassador. Want to share a braid with you that was shared with me. You will love it. You might have seen it before, but let's see if we can simplify it for you. It's called the corset braid. We're going to start through on the right side. I have pre-done the left side so that you can see what it looks like, but we're working with an outside plait. And what we're doing is when we get to the center top, we are dropping out a section of the center. Let's show you how that's done. Okay. As we come to the top, we want to take a diagonal forward section. That's the kind of section we're going to take. So we're going to come through, take diagonal forward section, over direct back to us, and slice into 3 sections. Once we have that, palm, pinch, go to a stack position. Check out our video series on YouTube regarding braiding. It'll show you how to work your fingers with rope, then taking you to the hair. Once we're there, go to a stack position underneath and do 1 full rotation before we add hair. Okay, now we're ready to add some hair. So I'm going to add a slice underneath. Then once we add that slice, we're going to come to the top. We're going to add a slice to the top. Then after we add that slice, every time you add a slice to the top, go back to your middle. But you're going to take half of this middle and you're going to drop this out. So each time I get to this position, we're going to do a dropout. There's my first dropout. Now continue your braid. Palm, pinch, stack, slice and feed. Once you're there, come through, palm, pinch, stack, slice and feed on top. And now we come through, we drop out some of that middle. Now continue the braid. Palm, pinch, under, slice and feed. Look where my body position is. My body position is in front of the braid. This is the front, that's the back. This is the front. So the front is the direction that I'm moving. So my hands have to stay in the front of that braid to position it properly. Before we drop out from the center, we come in, we slice and we feed. Now come into that center and drop out. Now continue your braid. Slice and feed underneath. Once you've got that, continue your rhythm. Palm, pinch, under. Now we're going to come through and we're going to slice and feed. Now once we're here, what do we need to do? We need to drop out. Once you drop out the middle, continue some of that middle, continue your braid. Notice how my sections start to pivot. So you need to pivot your sections. When you get to about the ear, your sections should be flat and horizontal as you're moving to the back of the head. Come in. Stay in control, slice and feed. Drop out, keep your rhythm. Palm, pinch, slice and feed. Now watch the section become very strong horizontal line now. So pivot your sections as you work towards the back. Slice and feed. Drop out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Under. What were you doing, Sam? Counting. I want to get at least 4 more in. Okay. So I'm here. Okay, now I'm going to come in underneath, slice and feed, and do a dropout. Palm, pinch, under, slice and feed. Now do a dropout. Okay, palm, pinch, under, slice and feed. Take the last section, and now a dropout. My last dropout. Okay, palm, pinch, under, and now just braid out. Okay, now let's take an elastic, and that's a dropout. We're gonna elastic all the way up to that point where we're at. So we come through, elastic. Now come through and twist, and twist, and twist, and twist. Now loop through. Saves you the time of looping all of that through. Now these are my dropouts. and these are my dropouts on the opposite side. Now we're going to come to the center with the dropouts. We're going to do exactly what we just did. Now we're going to take the first dropouts that we have. Here's my first dropouts. We're going to make this into 3 sections. So take a slice from your right side and a slice from your left side. Now all I want you to do is just braid. So there's, and do inside now. So I move everything to the inside. Do 1 full rotation. Now add to the middle what you dropped out on both sides. Now, okay, take a look at the top view. Okay, the top view is where you're going to be able to see this. So I come through. Now remember, each section, I add a section. Each time I come to that center, I'm adding a section. So that is critical. Continue to add from one side to the opposite side as you go. Okay, let's take a look at the back view. You can start to see what's happening. So each strand that we dropped out, you're just doing a simple braid inside, and you're adding it to the inside. Pick up just what you dropped out. Keep your knuckles close to the head. See, I'm keeping that close to the head so it doesn't extend out. Now add what your braid that you had, add that in now. That was the ponytail. And you're just working your way out. Then what I like to do is come back and cut those elastics off. And you can pull on this if you want. But once again, just a real simple technique utilizing an outside plait and then taking it to an inside plait with the drop-offs that you created. But just real simple to do. And this is what we refer to as a corset braid. So something really simple that you can add behind the chair, add value with a braid, outside with dropouts from the center, and then working with an inside plait down the center. Thanks for watching, and we'll continue to bring you the education.